Welcome. Are you tired of constant Dropbox notifications interrupting your day? Whether you're working, relaxing, or simply trying to stay focused, these alerts can quickly become a nuisance. In this video, we'll show you the simple steps to disable Dropbox notifications on your phone. Let's dive right in. First, grab your phone and open the Settings app. This is where all notification controls are centralized, making it easy to manage alerts for any app, including Dropbox. Once you're in the Settings menu, scroll down and tap on Notifications. This section allows you to customize how and when apps send you notifications. Next, tap on App Notifications. Here, you'll see a list of all the apps installed on your device. Scroll through the list until you find Dropbox. Tap on it to access its specific notification settings. Now comes the final step. Toggle off the switch next to Dropbox. This will completely disable notifications from the app. Once you've done this, Dropbox will no longer send you alerts. No more interruptions. And that's it. You've successfully turned off Dropbox notifications with just a few taps. If you ever want to re-enable them, simply follow these steps again and toggle the switch back on. Taking control of your notifications is a small but effective way to reduce distractions and stay focused on what matters most. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips like this one.